Let's see if these guns are everything Black Mask says they are.
Are you calling Black Mask a liar?
Quit busting my chops. Just show me what we got.
I would run if I were you. Where is Black Mask keeping the goods?
You want information? Read a newspaper.
Wrong answer.
Okay, stop! At the docks! He's keeping the guns at the docks.
Appreciate that. Let's pick a fight.
I could have been something. Could have been a doctor. How the hell did I end up in this situation? Close! I can almost... Over there! Over here!
We need to work together. He's getting us because we ain't working together.
He's on the move! Get him! He's using the vantage point! Die, you freak! I need to quit this racket. It ain't worth it. He's on the move! Here! He's on the move! Here!
He ain't ain't backing down. He got another. Nobody shoot the jacket! It's mine!
Hey, Red Hood! I forgot what I was gonna say. Shh! Ow! Ah! He's close! I can almost smell him.
Do me a favor and die already. I got a business to run.
Any prayers? Say 'em now.
He's on the move! Die, Red Hood! Die! Red Hood! Over there! He's better than I thought. Over here!
Watch out! Grenade! Watch it! Grenade! He's on the grenade!
Think she's gonna run like Mash got at Constant.
He's on the move! I got you now!
Run, you freaking punk! Run! When I get my hands on you, I'm gonna beat you with your hood!
That, scumwad, is the end of your career.
Something tells me I ain't gonna see my kids again.
Red Hood! Over there!
You better run! Come on, buddy, show me what you got. Hope that wasn't the new guy. Let's get this, Red Hood.
Amateur.
on, guys. Let's get this punk. Black Mask's gonna drill a hole in his cranium, fill it with cement, and dump him in the river.
Work smart, boys!
Over there! Die, freak!
Come on, you can do better than that.
Do me a favor and die already. I got a business to run.
Time to retire these degenerates.
Red Hood better not show up. He shows up, he's gonna get hurt.
And stay down.
Here!
Over here!
Here! Here! Take vantage point!
Up there! Red Hood!
The nerve of this guy! Helmet here, mess with... He's on the move! On the move!
Over here!
Over here!
Is this some kind of joke? Trying to run me out of Gotham? Get this schmuck out of here!
That's a lot of muscle for one shipment.
He's on the move! Let's get him! Over there! He's on the move! Over there!
Damn, he's hurting.
He's over there! Here! I think he's using the grate.
want a word with your boss, Black Mask. Where is he?
You ain't gonna kill me. You ain't gonna kill me.
Do I look like Batman to you? Rethink your answer before I fill you up with lead.
Downtown, his office. But you ain't gonna get him. He knows you're coming, freak. Good.
10,200, 10,310.
Man, thought you would have lost count by now. What the hell? He's here! Get him!
Come on, man. Stop wasting my time. Gotcha! Should've stayed out of Gotham. This is fun.
Big mistake coming here. Big mistake.
Die!
These balls are going down. Roman, seriously?
Business. What to my dogs?
I'll beat the soul out of you! Is that all he got? Gonna hurt you bad!
Jump that freaking hood off.
Psionics, come on. You can do better than that.
I'm gonna shoot your freaking eye.
Blah, blah. Keep on yapping. Fish in a barrel. Take the mask off. I didn't prove your age.
Come closer.
Use your head as a football!
Crack his legs.
These balls are going down.
It's the Red Hood!
Rip his guts.
You're in trouble now!
The circus act.
Watch the mouth, Sionis. You're just making things tougher on yourself.
Body man.
Stay out of Gotham.
Demon drag.
Whoa, Sionis. That's even...
Bring me the hood. The rest, do what you want. Just don't make a mess. Big mistake coming here. Big mistake.
Make him sick!
You don't intimidate.
Rip his heart out! I'm gonna keep you in that teeth! Die!
Shoot that hood off. You're dead.
Take him pay for that!
Dodge this.
Mask. You should have left when you had a chance.
You don't need to do this. You can get money. Drugs, guns, weapons, whatever you want. Please, I'll take a plane, leave Gotham, never show my face again. Anywhere you want, I'll go anywhere.
How about you go to hell? Say hi to Joker for me.